DafAceGames here, and I am playing chicken. In this game, you try your best to guide your chicken over obstacles using nothing other than your voice. So let's get started. Okay, so let's click play. And now I probably won't be speaking much in the videos because obviously you can see if I'm speaking, the chicken moves. So if I go, see, like jumps. Like, so the louder I go, oh, it'll jumps further basically. And my challenge is, see my score, best score at 9. My challenge is to go over the score of 10. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, if you guys install this game, it is really hard and probably embarrassing if you play it in public. So I wouldn't recommend playing it in public. You should probably do what I'm doing if you want other people to watch you, and that's obviously record it, just to entertain people. Like, that's really all I'm doing here. That's okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm on 4 right now. Yeah, my voice gets weird every time I make weird noises. Okay, so I'm on 7. Okay. No! I died on 7! 7! That's really far from my score. It ain't, is it? But anyways, it's so close. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm really sorry if this is hurting any of your ears. Okay, so I'm on 7 right now, okay. Oh, I died on 9. 9. Guys, 9. Again, I'm sorry if I'm hurting any of your ears. Just like turn the volume down a bit and just hopefully you can still hear me. Yeah, I'm gonna be making very weird noises during this video. Just how it goes, innit? I can't just sing a song. Actually, that could be for a future episode, actually. Making songs. Just give a thumbs up if you do want that to happen. Me singing songs to make chickens move. Doesn't sound right at all. Anyway, carrying on. Okay, so let's go again. Okay. Guys, I'm on 10. Okay, keep going. Get those coins. Okay. No. 14. I'm not gonna complain, that's bad, but it's bad. It's sad to see me die on a high score. Yeah, I'm gonna make very weird noise. Yeah. I'm sorry I keep bringing this up, but like, it's just gonna be very weird. You guys just listen to me making very weird noises. Anyways, let's just keep going then. Okay, let's play a couple more rounds then. See if I can beat my score. I tried to just do a speed run, but it didn't really work out as planned. Yes, let's keep going. Woo! Man, this game is so... It's not annoying, but it's like the addicting type of thing, which like... I don't know how to describe it. Let's keep going. We're meant to... Yeah. Guys, install this game yourself, just so you guys know how hard it is. You might just be thinking, well, you just need to time your voice properly and just stop a start. It's not as easy as that. It gets much harder. And I mean much harder. Wait, but what's this down here now? Oh. Oh. Okay, I can buy like chickens. Ooh, green chicken. And a purple. Let's place a purple chicken, I suppose. I don't think the purple chickens give me any luck. Just change that to the green chicken. Hopefully that gives me good luck. Okay, I'm only gonna play a few more rounds and then hopefully I have enough good actually content to actually be a good video. Just keep going. Oh, that was just like a really bad one. Okay, let's keep. Okay. Okay, there you go. I'm on it. Okay. Okay. 11, okay. Boing. Oh, I got 15, one higher than my usual score. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end this video off here. Be sure to hit that like button so I know what videos to make in the future. And also smash that subscribe button if you enjoy the content that I already make. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.